Hello everybody, this is Jack Martin. I'm going to be in New York on April 19th to teach a masterclass hands-on for the first time in my career. So please go to Beautista to register for this hands-on masterclass to learn the French blending technique. French blending is a revolutionary approach that moves beyond traditional coverage. It's a sophisticated, low-maintenance solution that embraces natural transitions, redefines salon standards, and creates premium experience that clients are asking for by name. To succeed with the French blending service, the most important tip at the beginning is to do a consultation with the client. You have to ask her many questions. You have to explain to her about the French blending. What is she expecting? You have to ask her about her lifestyle. What's bothering her about her roots, about her previous colored hair? Very important to go into details. The consultation is your key for a successful French blending service at the salon. There is 3 services in French blending. The first service is first blending. This service is particularly designed for clients that they are starting to see few grays of hair in their natural root. We try to mimic those grays on the length by adding silver highlights and some lowlights for dimension. When you are performing French blending service, you must go through many years and layers of previously colored hair. And the most important tip for pro stylist is to use lightener with only 20 volume to protect the integrity of the hair. Even if it's gonna take about 2 hours of lightening, it's fine as long as you don't go above 20 volume and you don't use any heat on top of your foils. But make sure you monitor it every 20 to 30 minutes for the elasticity of the hair.
Girl, I saw you in pictures big dance. I was like, you did.
Now open.
I love this stuff. The jacket was too hot. Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Do we need any of...
Where's my sequins dress? Where are those 3-inch heels?
Yeah, now you're ready.
Jacket's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
The second service is the Retouch Blending. This service is for your loyal gray coverage clients who are suffering from a line demarcation within 3 to 4 weeks. We will break that line of demarcation, soften her roots, mimicking her roots' natural pattern to the length of her hair. And this service can be done every 6 to 8 weeks.
Oh my God. Jackie did it.
The third service is total blending. And this service is custom designed for clients that they have 60 and above % of gray. Clients that they have tremendous amount of gray and they want it really to go more natural, but at the same time visit the salon for maintenance about 3 to 4 times a year. I'm going to be in New York on April 19th to teach a master class hands-on for the first time in my career. So please go to Beautista to register for this hands-on master class to learn the French blending technique.